The Lord shall fight for you, and He shall hold your peace. And the Bible reminds us sometimes the best thing you can do is to be still. Hindi na magtinamad, kundi magpahuway sa presensya sa Ginoo. That's why we keep our hope alive and stay patient and never stop praying. So in Romans 8:28, things work together for good to love them that love God, to them who are called according to His purpose. God used it to help you grow. God used it to make you better. So kung nadula na ang fire sa imong heart, kag daw nagadoubt ka na, remember, prayer isn't just about asking. It's about trusting, saying, Lord, I may not understand everything, but I know you have planned. And when it is not yet the time, I will wait. So, when you continue praying, even if it's hard, you're telling God that your faith is stronger than your feelings. So, in conclusion, God doesn't stop working, so don't stop praying. Maybe the reason you're still waiting is because He's building something bigger, not just around you, but inside you. Maybe He's teaching you how to trust deeper, how to love stronger, and how to stand firmer in faith. Remember, delays are not denials. Silence is not absence. Waiting is not wasting. God is waiting, writing your story, and it's not finished yet. Padayon lang sa pag-pray, padayon lang sa pagtuo, at padayon lang sa pagsalig. So even when it's hard, lift your hand, whisper a prayer, and feel God. Lord, hindi ko man makita kung ano ginaobra mo, pero kabalo kung nakaobra ka. Because while you're waiting, He's still working faithfully, silently, and perfectly.
Amen.